Hello guys, since last week I've been bombarded with the question, will you have any discounts for Black Friday? And finally, I have the answer in this article and video. This year on Laravel Daily, we have 40% off everything we have. In this article, which I will link in the description below, you will find that there's a code Friday 2023 for 4 of our products. Well, in fact 3, but Laravel Daily itself has 2 plans. So if you want to go for a lifetime plan or yearly membership, you will have 40% off until the end of this week. But then also we have 2 other products which became pretty popular, which is the new filament examples released only a few months ago, and then our older product Livewire Kit, but which was upgraded to Livewire 3 also pretty recently. So if you want to get those, also 40% off. In filament examples, you will have 33 examples of real filament projects. This is a one-time purchase to get all of it, including upcoming new projects if there are any in the future. And same with Livewire Kit. One-time purchase for 44 Livewire Kit components that you can see on the screen here. Some of them I will quickly scroll down. So this is not a bundle, this is 40% off any of those products that you may choose. And to give you more motivation, I will kind of remind you what we released over that year since last Black Friday, which is huge amount of courses. So the newest one is PHP for Laravel developers. Then there were a few courses about Filament, so CRM with Filament and Filament from scratch. Then there was Livewire 3 from scratch. And then there are more courses about specific Laravel features like grouping data, like validation, like handling exceptions or user time zones. And there are more practical projects like Small Reservation Project, View Inertia Project, API for Travel Agency, Filament Admin Panel again for Booking.com API projects, and this was released just in the last half year, so this is May 23. If we scroll down, let me find the course from November 22. This was re-released in November 22, the old Eloquent the Expert level. So you can see how much content is within the last year, and this is just courses. There are also premium tutorials, which we tend to release 1 per week or 1 every 2 weeks, sometimes more, sometimes less, it depends. So for example, string helpers, deleting the unused files, quite a lot about Filament in last month's, but we don't forget Vue.js either. We basically write about the problems that I encounter or my team encounters online. And if we can dive deeper, we form it as a premium longer form tutorial with a few thousand words. So yeah, join me on this journey of learning Laravel and related topics, improving your skills, and get better opportunities in your career. I would consider this membership and these products as investment in your future. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.